Hey everyone, welcome back to Review with Harper and Max. If you've ever tried diagnosing an engine issue, checking wiring behind a wall, or inspecting a clogged pipe, you already know. Your tools determine whether your day goes smooth or very, very annoying. So today, I'm reviewing 7 of the best Borescope inspection cameras you can buy right now. Regular, articulating, dual lens, ultra slim probes, you name it. I put all of them through real inspections: car engines, air vents, under-sink plumbing, and inside wall cavities. All of the product links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. Teslong 16.5 feet Endoscope. This is the camera you buy when you just need something reliable, simple, and long enough to reach the places you really don't want your hands to go. The 8 adjustable LEDs are bright, and the 4.3-inch screen is surprisingly clear for the price. What I liked most is the 30 to 80 millimeter focus distance. It's the sweet spot for automotive work. Spark plug holes, intake valves, pipe joints, everything looked clean and readable. The 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable is actually stiff enough to push through wall insulation or snake behind appliances, but still flexible enough to curve around bends. Not floppy, not wire stiff, just right. Battery life hits about 3 hours, and the photo, video capture through SD card is straightforward. Best for budget buyers who need a long, reliable, non-articulating borescope for plumbing, HVAC, and engine checks. Number 2. Anykit 210 degrees articulating borescope. This one really surprised me. It's a two-way articulating scope, but the probe is only 0.22 inches thin. That's extremely small for an articulating head. The articulation is smooth, the thumb slider is easy to control, and the 1080p image quality looks crisp thanks to the IPS display. The included overheat sensor is actually useful if you're checking exhaust components or near the turbo. Battery life is solid at 5 hours, and they include an 8GB card out of the box. Best for anyone wanting their first articulating scope without spending a fortune, especially DIY mechanics. Number 3. Wanawong two-way articulating borescope. This model sits right in the middle, affordable but capable enough for automotive, HVAC, and wall inspections. The sliding wheel articulation is easy to learn, and the 1080p IPS screen delivers a very accurate color image. The 5.5 feet semi-rigid cable hits the sweet spot for engine bay work. The 3-level LED brightness is strong, and the included 32GB SD card is a nice bonus. Build quality is better than expected. IP67 waterproof, good cable stiffness, and a well-made carrying case. Best for users who need both front and side views, ideal for valves, cylinders, and complex pipe structures. Number 4. Depstech DS650 Dual Lens Articulating Scope. Now we're stepping up. Depstech gives you a dual lens articulating head, and this is where things get interesting. The split screen mode lets you see both the forward lens and side lens at the same time, great for cylinder walls, valve seats, and pipe junctions. The DS650's image clarity is noticeably sharper thanks to their Blort 3.0 processing. The 5 feet cable feels premium and holds angles very well. The high temperature warning is honestly underrated. If you've ever melted a cheap borescope near an exhaust manifold, this feature matters. Bottom line: if you want articulation and a side view lens in one tool, this is easily the best option in the mid-tier segment. Number 5. Teslong two-way articulating 5 feet borescope. Teslong nailed the ergonomics with this one. The articulating joystick is centered, smooth, and very intuitive. The display is bright, the 5 feet cable keeps its shape perfectly, and the LEDs are strong enough for dark plumbing and wall cavity inspections. This one feels the nicest in the hand. Lightweight, well-balanced, and built for extended use. Best for long sessions and frequent inspections where comfort, ergonomics, and ease of operation matter most. Number 6. Dxztoz Dual Lens Articulating Scope. This one is a monster for engine work. You get a dual lens articulated probe, a huge 5-inch HD screen, split-screen mode, a 0.33-inch probe that fits easily into spark plug holes, upgraded focal range with up to 100 centimeters visibility. It has a noticeably wider perspective, which helps when inspecting pistons, timing chain areas, or behind firewall wiring. Best for detailed automotive engine diagnostics and professional-level inspections with wide-angle visibility. Number 7. FoxWell Y406D Dual Lens Articulating Scope. This is the most advanced camera of the lineup. The 0.25-inch probe is insanely slim for a 220-degree articulating dual lens design. Image clarity is top tier, very clean, very sharp, even in dark, oily, or reflective environments. The 4x plus 2x zoom, the true color IPS display, and the excellent LED illumination make this look like a professional-grade tool. Storage is huge, 32 gigabytes built in, and I loved the heat protection auto shutoff because hot engines destroy cheap cameras fast. Best for serious professionals who want the absolute best image quality and articulation under the $500 range. If you want the quick picks, best budget. Teslong 16.5-foot endoscope. Best affordable articulating, Anykit 210 degrees. Best value overall, Wanawong 2-way articulating 5.5 feet scope. Best dual lens mid-tier, Depstech DS650. Best ergonomic option, Teslong 5 feet articulating. Best for engine diagnostics, Dxztoz dual lens. Best premium pick, FoxWell Y406D. Those are the ones I'd actually choose depending on your needs. Thanks for watching Review with Harper and Max. If you found this helpful, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And again, all of the product links are in the description if you want to check any of these out. I'll see you in the next one.